Turning a dream into a reality is possible through determination and sheer hard work. This has been the driving force behind Madhavan Reddy's success as he grew from a cane harvester to owning a thriving business in Namara, Lambasa. In today's Successful Fijian, we look at the journey of 53-year-old Reddy, the owner of Lambasa Farm Fresh. Kritika Kumar has his story.
Born and raised in Lambasa, Madhavan Reddy dropped out of school in year 10 to help his parents in the cane fields. However, the tables turned in 2011 when he started his business with his brother.
We started business, he financed me to start it. He funded my business here. Yeah. He funded me about $25,000 to $30,000. I took loan from him. Then we started this business with the help of my brother.
The Lambasa Farm Fresh Limited, which specializes in packaging and is a wholesale company, faced its share of challenges before establishing a market in Australia.
When I started my business, I was not getting enough vegetables for frozen because the farmers, they didn't knew that I'm doing. So slowly the farmers, we went to meet the farmers, we talked to them, then they knew that. Then slowly the farmers knew us, and they're bringing all their vegetables to us.
Besides assisting local farmers, Reddy's company also provides training to its employees to help them improve their skills and gain confidence. Despite its 10 years of operation, Reddy is still learning more about his own export business.
Farmers were very happy because, some of the farmers, they're bringing, and I buy all the vegetables same time, just like cowpeas. I buy jackfruit, breadfruit, Evi, daruka, cowpeas, bongo chili, wild chili, taro leaves, bele leaves, cassava leaves.
Reddy believes there is no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure.
Anybody can start a business if they want. If they want to export business, they can. But they must have confidence that they want to do it.
The 53-year-old plans to expand his market to ensure his products reach as many people as possible. Kritika Kumar, FBC News.